Hi everyone, Michelle here from the Junk Journal Studio, sharing with you today my 21-page freebie. It coordinates with the new Winter Bounty series that I recently uploaded to my Etsy shop. I was going to give them away for free until the 28th of February, and then I was going to put it in a add-on kit in my shop. However, I've changed my mind. They're just free. They'll always be free. They will not be uploaded to my Etsy store. So you can head on over to Ko-fi and grab these. I'll do a little flip through here for you. Actually, I didn't actually check the order of these before I started. They should be okay. Okay, so we have just a really soft scroll here in the browns. And I should say, my Winter Bounty series is primarily different shades of blue. However, there are some florals in here that's on a lot of the pages. As you can see, these are some of the journal pages in kit 1. Even like the bird and the deer and stuff that have lots of browns and greens in them. So the Winter Bounty series that I've uploaded to my Etsy shop are all primarily in the blues. So I wanted to give you some browns and greens to complement those pages that do have those colors in them. And that's how the freebie came about. So we have some beautiful brown scroll here. And then we just have a nice plain brown. It's light enough that you could journal on it if you want, which is nice, or use it for backing or a background for your ephemera. Some pretty brown stripes. I'll hold these up to some of the journal pages in the kit so you can see how beautiful they complement one another. We have some fleur-de-lis. And then you have fleur-de-lis with writing paper, and if you fold that in half, I've actually lined the backgrounds up so that when you, oops, I really did a bad job at folding that. There we go. It becomes a seamless pattern. So if you wanted to put these pages side by side in your journal, they are seamless across, which is really nice. So you have one page where you can put your focal points or your pockets and such, and then you can have your journaling page right beside it. So that's a really neat feature. And the junk journal pages, all of the journal pages are like that. So it's a really neat option. And then here it is in the faded out version of the fleur-de-lis. And then we have this really beautiful damask, I'll call it. The browns again with some dark script in behind. And then we have it here in a non-directional so that you can use it for non-directional projects. And then we have some different damask here. And then again, although you could journal on this, but again, just like the journal pages and that other page I just showed you in this kit, they do have seamless backgrounds. So if you want, you can put them side by side in your journal and it looks like that. So it's just seamless all the way across. So we have that. And then of course, our writing paper. And then we move into the greens. So I showed you a brown swirly like this on the first page, and this is it in the green. And the green plain, light enough that you can write on. And then our stripes, our fleur-de-lis, super pretty. And again, just like in the browns that I showed you, you can fold that in half and it lines up with the writing paper, which is really nice. And there's the fleur-de-lis faded out. And then we have our beautiful damask here in a larger size with some black script. Really pretty. And then it's here without the script, so you can use it for non-directional projects. And then we have a different version of a damask. Just really soft, subtle. And again, just like the brown one, you can fold this in half if you'd like. And you have a seamless pattern going across the 2 pages. And that is it. So you have a few green and you have a few brown, and I'll just hold up some of the journal pages to some of these just so you can see how beautiful they complement one another. So let's say I take this page, for example. Look how pretty that is. So beautiful. And then you could line it up or put it beside the green and it pulls on the greens. So really, really pretty. Take these ladies. These are journal pages that I'm showing you here. Fold it in half and you can just see how it just brings out the browns and the pine cones and the vintage images and the greens. So yeah, that is the 21-page freebie that coordinates with the Winter Bounty series. You can find it in my Ko-fi shop, as well as all of the links to the digitals, the 4 digitals in the series are linked down below in the description box. They can be found in my Etsy shop, and the links to all the flip throughs of those you can find down below as well. And don't forget to subscribe to the Junk Journal Studios design team on YouTube and Instagram for lots of inspiration using the Studios digitals, and their links can be found below as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.